Alibaba was a poor man. He earned his living by selling dry wood. One day, when he was cutting woods, he saw a band of 40 robbers coming towards a cave. He at once hid himself by climbing on a nearby tree. The chief of the band alighted from his horse and said,
"Open sesame."
The door of the cave opened. All the robbers entered the cave, and the door of the cave closed itself. After some time, the door opened, and the robbers came out and went away from there. After this, Alibaba got down the tree and reached the cave. He said,
"Open sesame."
At once, the door opened. Alibaba entered the cave without delay. The door closed itself. There was treasure from the loot by the robbers. Alibaba could not believe his eyes. He filled his pockets and the bag with gold, ornaments, and jewels. He was in a hurry. He uttered,
"Open sesame."
and the door of the cave opened. He came back home with all the treasure he could bring. The next day, he went to his brother Kasim, who was very greedy. He borrowed a pair of scales from Kasim to weigh gold. Then he returned the scales. A gold coin stuck to the bottom of the scales. When Kasim's wife saw it, she sent her husband to Alibaba to find out the mystery. Having heard about the mystery, Kasim decided to become the richest man in the world. He took a few bags and went to the cave with his asses. He said,
"Open sesame."
The cave opened, and he went in. He filled the bags with gold and jewels. Out of greed, he was so excited that he forgot the phrase to open the door of the cave. After a while, the robbers came and killed Kasim. The chief of the band ordered his men to take the dead body outside the cave. When Kasim did not return, Alibaba went and brought Kasim's dead body. They performed his last rites. When the robbers came back, they found Kasim's dead body missing. They suspected that some other person also knew their secret. The chief of the band went to the city and was successful in finding out about Kasim's house. He made a cross at the door. Margina, who was the maidservant of Alibaba, saw all this. She made a cross at the door of every house in the street. When the robbers came the next day, they found a cross at each gate of the street. The chief of the band of robbers made a plan. He reached Alibaba's house as an oil merchant. He requested Alibaba give him shelter for the night. Alibaba agreed to give him shelter. He also asked permission to keep his oil jars. He carried the jars of oil to the courtyard with the help of the servants. Margina required some oil to light the lamps, so she lifted the lid of a jar. She heard someone saying,
"Should I come out?"
Margina said to herself,
There is something wrong.
She poured hot oil into the jars in which the robbers were hidden. Margina served the chief the finest dishes and performed a dance for him. Then, all of a sudden, she killed him with a dagger. After this, clever Margina told Alibaba everything. Alibaba thanked her